What if, for just 5 seconds, gravity disappeared? No pulling force, no weight, no warning. Suddenly, the entire world would begin to float. In that instant, every loose object, every person, car, and drop of water would start to drift away from the Earth's surface. Because the planet is spinning at over 1,000 miles per hour at the equator, anything not bolted down would be launched sideways into the atmosphere. You wouldn't just float up. You'd be flung into the sky at a terrifying speed. Cars would drift above streets, water from fountains would rise like ethereal spirals, and entire trees might even be ripped from the ground. You see, gravity is the invisible hand that holds everything down. It keeps our feet on the ground, the oceans in their basins, and the very air we breathe from escaping into space. When you remove it, inertia takes over. The planet keeps spinning on its axis, but everything on its surface no longer has a reason to spin with it. For those 5 seconds, the world would be thrown into absolute chaos. Oceans would begin to rise into the sky like colossal walls of water. Buildings, no longer held together by their own immense weight, might start to buckle and shed glass. Airplanes, which rely on lift created by moving through the air, would suddenly lose all altitude control, becoming unguided projectiles. And then, just as suddenly as it vanished, gravity would return. Everything, all the people, cars, water, and debris, would come crashing back down. The aftermath would be catastrophic. We're talking about thousands of tons of falling water, cars, and building fragments raining down on cities with devastating force. The oceans would collapse back into their basins, creating unimaginable tsunamis that would sweep across continents. It would be an extinction-level event, all in the span of a few heartbeats. Humanity would be left in a state of shock and panic. Scientists would scramble to explain the impossible, how the most constant and fundamental force in our universe simply switched off. We'd be forced to confront a terrifying new reality, afraid to even go outside, wondering if it could happen again. This thought experiment shows us just how vital gravity is. It holds our world together, literally and figuratively. Without it, we'd have 5 brief, terrifying seconds to see just how fragile our existence truly is. It's a humbling reminder to never take the ground beneath our feet for granted. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy exploring mind-bending science questions like this, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more. See you next time.